Greetings and welcome back to the channel. I'm Styles by Lovey, and baby, I love all things beautiful. So in today's video, we are going to be doing a DIY medium knotless box braid with curly ends, and the product we are going to be using today is 1 pack of Xpression braiding hair, Magicfingers Shine and Jam for braiders, Cream of Nature Style and Shine foaming mousse, some mega growth oil, ORS Nourishing sheen spray, 1 rat tail comb, and a pair of scissors. So we went ahead to pre-pad the hair. As I said before, I love sectioning the hair before I start working with it, so that's what I'm doing there. And I use some of the Magicfingers Shine and Jam to just clean up the parts, okay? So if it's your first time stopping by, thank you so much for stopping by, and to all my regular subscribers, thank you for stopping by again. So I would like for you to subscribe to the channel, leave a thumbs up on this video, turn on your post notifications so you never miss another video from me again, and I would love for you to share me with your world. So I went ahead here to section off the hair off camera, and I'm just demonstrating to you how I pre-pad the hair. So I just went from one side of the head to the other side of the head. So it's just like a form of a semicircle from the back all the way up to the top. Easy and simple. So I went ahead to section all the back into 2 sections. Now we are going for a medium look, okay? So it's not going to be too small and it's not going to be too big, So I went ahead to do the back off camera, so I would use the top bit to demonstrate exactly, or for you to look on how I did my knotless box braids, I use my comb to smoothen things up, and I try to start my braids off the hairline, okay? We don't want any tension on the hairline. So if you're on Instagram, I would love for you to follow me there, and also on TikTok, at stylesbylovey_. Please join the family over there, and please share with someone, okay? So as you can see here, I'm sectioning the hair into small sections, And Des and I is just having a rap hole. Oh dear. I can't remember what we was even speaking about, but So as you can see there, I just make a loop with my finger, and then I place the hair under my index finger, and that's how I add the extension to her hair. As the hair starts getting thinner, or if you think that the braid is changing in size, you can always add some extra hair. And even to add length to the braid, you can add extra hair. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing there. Yeah, as you can see, this is a DIY. Yeah, I use 1 pack of extension hair because I didn't want it to be too heavy on her hair. Yeah, so I added hair there just to get more length for the front bit to meet the ones at the back. Yeah, and as I reach my desired length, that's where I think I want my curls to start, and then I added an elastic band to secure the braid from loosing. So it's pretty simple, yeah. If you never done knotless braids before, keep practicing and it becomes easier for you to do. So it's just the same process that we'll be doing here on the top bit that I already demonstrated before. So I would leave you to look on this braid, yeah. So yeah, I went ahead to do a bit of baby hairs or edges, however you call it, yeah. And then I added some foam and mousse to tame the hair down, well, the wild hair down, yeah, and also keep the edges a bit sleek, yeah. And I went ahead to tie that down to help with the sleekness as well. So I used some foam and mousse at the end of the braids, and the mousse is just to tame the hair or tame the hair down. Yeah, and I used a curling rod to set the curl on the braid. Some mousse, smoothing it up, yeah, and I added a curling rod. And there you go. I went ahead to do the rest off camera, yeah? So I reached for some hot water. Now you want to take time with this because this section is a bit dangerous. So you want to make sure the person is in a good sitting area, in good posture, yeah? And I also use a towel there to dry out all the water from the braid, yeah? I make sure I take time to squeeze out all the water from the braid. And there you will see the difference with the hair that is dipped in water and the hair that haven't been dipped in water, yeah? And look at those curls, baby, baby. Look at those curls. It's popping. It's popping. I love it, yeah? So I went ahead to use my scissors to just trim out the ends of it. And look at this face. She's like, wow, mommy. And I used some oil to oil the scalp and some sheen spray to give that hair a bit of a shine. And voila. I'm loving it, and I know my baby girl is loving it as well. Look at that smile. Look at that smile. Isn't she beautiful? Yes, she is. Yes, I went ahead to show you guys how you could style this hair. And what I love about knotless braids, it's easy to maneuver, yeah? So you see it's just braided, just finished braided, and the hair could just move around, yeah, without any pain. Painless, knotless, painless. Oh dear. So I went ahead to flip the hair to the side so you can wear it with the center part. You can flip it to the side and give it that side part look. And now I'm doing like a sort of a half up, half down, yeah? And look at her. Who's that? Look at that smile, eh? Gorgeous.
Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any time she uploads a new video, and also comment. Also, make your today better than yesterday. Be you, be true to yourself, and be kind to others. Bye!